Hi everyone, this is me Anzuman Turin and I'm back again with another review. Today I'm going to review the clay mask from Amlaki. So a few days back I was trying out this new cream which reacted badly. I had bumps all over my face in just 2 days. It was like super horrible. My whole skin was bumpy and full of acne, pimples, everything, small, big, everything, and I was so depressed. I was so depressed. I didn't know what to do. My skin looked horrible and it even left marks. You can see a few of the marks are there and you can see a few pimples as well. Most of them left marks. As you guys all know that I'm into Amlaki products at the moment, so I had a talk with the owner of Amlaki. I told her about the matter and I was like very sad. She told me to use the clay mask every day for like 3 to 4 days till my skin calms down. So I decided to do that and alhamdulillah my skin cleared up a lot. I posted the before and after picture in my page so you guys can check it out. Mask is a very helpful mask if you have acne prone skin and if you have oily skin. Sometimes we get dirt in our pores which we can't remove with just a normal face wash or cleansing oil. For that we need clay mask to remove the darts deeply from my pores. This mask will remove toxin from our face, will help reduce acne, blemishes. Oh, I even noticed that it decreased my pores. You can see the before and after picture in my page. Oh, it also removes whitehead, blackhead and pigmentation from her. Oh, and this is not very drying. Usually my skin is a combo to oily. I used this for straight 4 days and it didn't dry off my skin or didn't ruin my skin texture. I cannot use metal spoon for this. I usually take my mask mixing bowl and put it, yeah, that's it. I'm going to take a foundation brush, the flat foundation brush, and mix it very well. As this is a demo, I won't put it all over my face. I need my glasses, otherwise I won't be able to see.
Allergic reaction, whatever that was, it went away. All the bumps and pimples, that was all over my face, it's gone now thanks to this product. Even though I have few scarring and few pimples, it will go away too, I hope. And it's working, it takes a time.
All done. As you can see that my skin looks very fresh at the moment. It looks healthy, good and very fresh. I love this mask a lot because it helped me a lot with all the bumps and pimples, and I would recommend you guys to give this mask a try.